my channel. I know it has been a hot minute since I did a video. I am actually on the process of vlogging for you guys, like mom life. The vlog is going to be named. Honestly, I'm going to show you the times that I get up super early, I get one kid up and the other one, drop one off. I'm just going to do a whole vlog for you guys. That way you guys can see it. I love vlogs anyway. I love watching them. So I like doing them, especially like during the October season where I do a video every single day, adding some vlogs in there, as well as Christmas time. So I am going to be doing that for you guys, so you guys can see what I do on a daily basis, normal mom life type of thing. Maybe it's normal, maybe it's not, I don't know, but I am doing that. Anyway, that is the reason why I have been absent, but I do have videos coming up for you guys. One of them I'm editing, and that I filmed last week. I just haven't had time to come around to doing that, but that is something like not beauty related. It is an unboxing of something that I purchased, so we will be doing that video. And yeah, so this video is just basically this eye look, something simple, something easy, something on the go, where you want to make, where you don't actually have time to do your makeup, but you want it some color in there, you know, something that's not just natural eyeliner, really fast, really quick. And then there's times where I like, oh, I think it looks good, I don't have time to do eyeshadow, and then I get into my car and I'm just like, ooh, girl, you should have taken a little bit more time, adding a little bit more color to that eye. That's just me. I'm pretty sure everyone has gone through that. Yeah, and it's just like, let me put some of my shades on because it does not look good today. Sometimes we have our good days for doing good makeup and taking our time or whatever. Sometimes we have our really bad days. So that being said, I thought I'd do this really nice, light, easy look for you guys. And it's so easy that if you're a beginner, I know that you can do this. Just simple, easy. And yeah, the cool thing with videos is if I'm rushing it, you can literally pause it, rewind, and watch it to see how I do it. This is just the eye look. Again, it's not about the foundation. It's the same thing that I do all the time, guys. If you really want in-depth from like the beginning of it, I can do that. But then also there's other videos that I have done that, where you can kind of just check that out and just kind of fast forward to what I have now. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this, come on April, get on with the video. Then let's get started. Oh, by the way, I know I'm missing a nail. I literally like sliced in half, and everyone's like, oh my god, it's hurting. Did it hurt? Honestly, it didn't. I just felt it because it sliced it right away, and then it just hung, and that's what hurt, was not to peel it off. But if you see my hands looking a little kind of funky and off balance, that is the reason I broke it when I was lifting the Xbox, the TV thing. So yeah. So anyway, let's get on the video and get started. So we're gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've been loving this shade Hush Hush, which is this one right here. So I don't have so many things to do, but today I swear it was just kicking my ass because my insomnia has been bad again. And you would think, since I'm so busy, that I would get tired and go to sleep, but it's the opposite. And I think it's just because I literally think about stuff that I need to do like at night, and I don't stop thinking about it. So I think that's the reason, but I don't even know. This is just a pretty shade. So again, I'm in a hurry because I have several things to do, but I got to sleep in a little bit this morning after I dropped the girls at school and got some breakfast, and which is a major pain in my butt because when I do that, I seriously do not want to get up and I don't want to do anything. So anyway, sorry for like not so many videos lately. I've just been on the go, and then I just don't want to do anything because by the time I have free time, I'm literally tired. But I'm just going to use this as a testing mix. I've had this for a while, and I've been missing using these cool little like powder shadows, loose shadows, and it's just like this really pretty like fluorescent. How I do this is how I did this back then, like old school. So I put a little bit on here, just a dab. I'm trying to get a little bit more. I go like that, and then what I do basically is get some water or setting spray and just dab it a little bit on there, where it's not going to get on the powder, but just enough right here. Then what I would do is just get like a shadow, like a brush, or the spray that I just just wet it, nothing on there, it's just wet, and then I tap the powder, which is just tapping it like this, drop them off, and then I go in with that and apply that on my lid. And it's just kind of like, it's just like a little bit like a foiling, and you feel like it's not so wet. You can always just wet it this way if you want, and then just apply more product, pick that up, and then just drop it down. Drop it low. I kind of just wanted to go a little bit light today, but at the same time still have color, because again, like you know me, I love color in my eyes. It's just, I'm not like a really like a natural eyeshadow person. So then I'm going to do the same thing, wet it again, dab that loose shadow of this pigment, and try not to wet the brush too much, because if you wet it like a lot, it's just going to clump up on you. So that's all basically what I'm doing, picking some up, tap off the excess, and then apply. So I guess it's just a little. And my Beauty palette and my little palette from MAC. I'm not going to turn it too much because the shadow when I was moving broke, and I'm so sad and I don't want to get rid of it. But I'm going to go in with this really pretty shadow. I think that is by Morphe. So I'm going to go ahead and use like a stiff brush, pick that shadow up, and just kind of blend that in there. Just to give it a little bit more that holographic type of purple. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm just grabbing a whole bunch of that because it is like a light color, and then I'm just kind of just blending that in. I really miss you guys. It's just, oh my god, it's just been crazy. And yeah, but I'm waiting for some stuff to come in today that has been sent to me that I cannot wait to try out with you guys. And then I am also need to do a video of these brushes that I got in, that I ordered. So that is coming up as well. I don't know if you want me to do a look using the brushes, but I can do both. I swear these days have been going by so fast. And that's basically how I'm just going to do this look. Plain and simple. And then I'm going to go in with some black liner because it's not a look without my black eyeliner. And I've been loving this liner that I keep forgetting that I have in there. So I will tell you guys what that is. I didn't really show it because it's the same thing that I always do. The same products and stuff. So this eyeliner that I've been using, I've used it before in my videos. But I kind of just put it in there and I kind of just forgot about it using my Kat Von D. So I got it out, and this is the Ico London Liquid Eyeliner Black Skinny, and it looks like this. This is like a really pretty liner. It like goes on really good, and it's like really black, which is what I love. So I'm just going to show you guys just one eye real quick, and I just love this eyeliner. My eyebrow, I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. I use it to highlight, but I'm going to go in with this really pretty white one right here, and I'm going to pick some of that up and just use that to highlight underneath my brow to give that really pretty color. It's like more like a holographic type of eye look. Just like that. Go in with the MAC Patrick Star and to pick these two and mix them up. This is the Take Me Home. I like to mix those colors together. I haven't gotten the new collection yet. I'm still thinking about it. Probably, I like the little like suitcases that like the how the package looks like. But I don't even know if it's too late to get it or not. I've just been so behind on stuff. But yeah. Okay, that is about it with the same. Usually I do this, but for today I'm gonna just do the two pinks. I'm gonna go here and then turn my brush back, and then I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Ice Dragon brush that I did on my video last time. And so I heard it's cool to just swoop this way from one of those Rihanna, which I love Rihanna, makeup artist. I was watching her videos, and yeah, it's so cool. Just to swoop from here up and then down, which I was like, huh, that's cool to know. So I'm just gonna do that. My bottom, every time I do like a light purple or like something with purple, I love to make the eye pop with some blue in the bottom. I just think that it makes it look so neat and pretty. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in electric blue. I love this. I use this a lot. So I'm just going to go to my waterline and just apply this really pretty blue. I think it looks so pretty. But today I think I want to do something a little different. I'm going to go in with this highlighting from Wet n Wild I did. It was really pretty blue. And I am going to pick some up with this brush right here from Morphe. And I'm just going to go and make this glow. Highlight a little bit. Because I think it's just so pretty. I love this. I use these not just to highlight. I'll use it for like an actual shadow, or to highlight in the inner corner, or to do this with, like, you can do so much with these colors if you're a person that's like, well, what am I going to do with the blue highlight? Like, I'm not going to wear blue highlight. Like, you literally can do so much with these. Like, they're very pigmented, and for the cost of, like, for Wet n Wild, you're not spending, like, hardly anything. So these are just so pretty. I love to use these for a lot of things. So if you want to know more in depth with these, I did do a video on it, which it was like my face was half the Fire Dragon and then the other half was Ice Dragon. So if you want to check that video out if you haven't already. And then of course, because I have the white one with little specks of blue in it, I like to use this as well with this Mata, and I kind of just dip in there, and I like to go right in the middle, not middle, but like my little teardrop. I like to call these my little teardrops. There you go. It gives it like a whole different look. And yeah, hello. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara, some lashes, and then I will be right back. I'm feeling a little bit bright today, even though it's been raining like crazy over here. Pretty sure it's raining everywhere. So bad. So I'm gonna go in with Prom Night from Jeffree Star. I love this lipstick. I like wearing like bright pink sometimes. So I haven't worn a bright color in a little while. So I swear, you really never know how big your lips really are naturally, like, until you put like some bright lipstick. It's like, dude, I thought these were my lips, and then it's like, wow, I'm missing on all this and this and this, and you're like, wow, I really do have big lips. Okay, so see, I missed a little piquito acá. Okay. So this is the final look. We're going to go ahead and set with my Milani, which I'm running out of. I'm running out of a lot of things a lot faster now that Destiny has to wear makeup for. 1, she wears it for school sometimes, and for 2, she has to wear it for the football games. So going through my stuff, I'm finding that I'm running out of a lot of things quicker than normal. So we are setting this, and there we go. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was simple, it was quick, it was easy, it looked like you really worked. It's so easy that I know that you can do it if you are new to makeup. It's really simple and it looks really cool. So it's just like a light holographic type of eyeshadow with a pop of blue and some bright lips to make the look complete with some eyelashes. Did I say that right? I think so. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.